The OrCam MyCharger is a portable and wearable charger specially tailored for your OrCam MyEye. The contents of the package include a charger, 2 cables and a user guide. Preferably, have the mini magnetic USB outlet inserted into your OrCam MyEye. For further details about how to insert this piece, please refer to the tutorial Charging the Device. The MyCharger has a recessed charging pad on the top side and a belt clip on the rear side. The charging pad has 2 magnets in the middle that attach to the magnets on your OrCam MyEye and a small outlet. On top of the wider end of the charging device, there is a small rubber button. When you press this button, it will indicate the current battery status with 4 blue LED lights. Each light indicates 25% of battery level. Below the LED lights, under a rubber flap, is the Type-C inlet. Charging MyCharger. Take the cable that is wrapped with a white rubber clip. Insert the narrow end inside the Type-C inlet. Insert the other end into the OrCam MyEye wall charger. When the device is charging, the LED lights will turn on. MyCharger requires 3 hours of charging prior to initial use. How to charge the OrCam MyEye using the charging cable. Take the second cable out of the sealed nylon bag. Feel with your fingers the 2 ends of the cable. One end includes a detachable mini magnetic piece. If you already have this piece inserted into your OrCam MyEye, remove it from the cable. Now insert the other side of the cable into the Type-C inlet under the rubber flap. Once the cable is connected, you will hear,
"Charger connected, battery is 80% charged."
You can use the OrCam MyEye while it is being charged. When the OrCam MyEye is not in use, detach from cable and simply insert it into the charging pad. You will hear,
"Charger connected."
Note: make sure the mini magnetic piece is inserted into the charging inlet on the back end of the OrCam MyEye device. Upon initial charging, the MyCharger pad must be left empty. Make sure not to insert the OrCam MyEye into the MyCharger pad. The standard charging time after first use is approximately 2 hours. Then it can charge the OrCam MyEye up to 4 times.